Say, Maria, I'm going to school.
Maria, I'm going to school already. Maria?
Sit back.
Maria? I go to Montreal school, Maria.
Say, where's my birthday gift?
Where's my birthday gift, Maria?
I turned 6.
I turned 6 already. You didn't come to my birthday.
I'm gonna go to your house to get my gift.
I'm gonna go to your house to go get my gift.
Okay.
Okay.
Where's Robbie?
Where's Rob, Maria? Tell Rob I like him.
Huh?
Tell Rob I like Rob. Maria, tell Rob I like Rob.
Why you say that?
Because I like him.
Like Rob now?
Yeah.
Because you want your birthday gift?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Rob, and bye-bye, Maria. Bye-bye, Rob. Bye-bye, Andrew.
Okay, see you.
Bye-bye.